classes, and the class that I was taking, we had like 10 to 15 hours a week of homework. So I literally just sat in my tent the whole time doing homework. Which, I mean, it's a drawing class, and I'm happy to be back in school. It's a lot of fun. You know, I'm there because I love it. But, man, 10 hours is a lot. And since then, it's basically just rained every day. Like, I don't know if you guys are from the Northeast or what, but it has just rained every single day this summer. So it's like, well, why would I go up there if I'm just going to have to hide in my tent in the pouring rain? The roads have been all washed out, so that's a hazard. And then now, because we've had so much rain, it seems like the mosquito and deer fly populations have basically tripled. I hate bugs. I'm not a bugs kind of person. Like, I'll go camping when it's cold. That's fine. I'll go off in the wilderness where there's no cell signal. That's fine. But bugs, nah. No, we don't do bugs. No way. So I've basically just been working, like, a lot. I've been picking up extra work on the weekends. I'm self-employed, so, like, the more I work, typically, the more money I make. So that's been nice. So having a little bit more financial stability. I think at the end of August, I'm gonna go explore Lake Michigan and Lake Superior, so that should be pretty fun. But yeah, so I'm finally heading up there. It's really, really exciting. I think Vibeka's pretty excited. Vibeke got spayed last month, so she's been out of commission. It's just been a lot of like staying inside, working my butt off, and I am just so excited to get to spend the next several days off-grid. I'm going to spend like 4, maybe 5 days up there.
Do you want a French fry? Is it French fries that you're begging for? Are you adorable? Do you want a snack? Is this about snacks? I could get you one. Alright, Vibeke, this is for you. So my GoPro died. This is the Hero 10. I swear, the batteries on these things, like my old Hero 7, that thing can run for like 2 hours before the batteries run out. The Hero 10, I think I got maybe 30 minutes of filming, but it might have been closer to 20. Maybe you okay with this French fry? Come get it. Okay. I've driven through the notch so many times, but I actually don't think I've ever been here at sunset. I apologize for shooting this on an iPhone because this is just spectacular and amazing, and I know that a nicer camera would actually capture this beauty. So driving through the White Mountain National Forest right now. Definitely not going to be stopping at Sabaday Falls because it's just getting too dark. The sun is setting. I'm sure it's beautiful there right now, but about 45 minutes too late. And for me to take that detour, it's going to add basically an entire hour. And as it is, I'm already going to be arriving at camp in the dark, which like isn't my favorite, but hey, maybe we'll see some moose. Vibeke is very upset because I have stopped feeding her French fries. Vibeke, French fries aren't for dogs. I don't even think they're for humans. Oh my God, look at those eyes though. You know I'm going to give her another one. You guys know it's true. Definitely looking for moose right now. It's kind of the hour when they start to come out. The thing about moose is that you're really not going to see them. It's more like you see the absence of light. You see this spot that's like so dark. And that's why people miss them, is because their fur isn't really that reflective. So it's going to take me forever to get to camp because now I have to drive really slow. It's fine. I'll get there eventually. Okay, so I figured I'd be driving in alone in the dark, but apparently my dad has been waiting at the beginning of the dirt road for like, it's gotta be over 2 hours. There's no cell service, so I had like a blip of it and to let him know when I was at the last point of civilization. And there is service at the end of this road. And he's like, oh, I've just been sitting here. I'm like, oh, well, that's great. So, I mean, it is kind of dangerous to drive in this road alone at night. There's moose everywhere. The road has been graded recently, but, you know, like during the daytime, if you have any sort of car trouble, like there's going to be someone else who's going to come by and they'll help you out, like eventually. You know, it might take a couple hours, but like it would happen. At this hour, probably not. Okay, well, like, go figures that the part of the road that was graded was like really nice, and now I turn onto our road and it sucks. Oh, come on. I don't want to be unloading in the rain. You've got to be kidding me. Of course it had to rain, right?
Yeah. You need a jacket?
No, it's in the back. All right. Wait. Hey, get back there. Wait. You have to wait. Want to go check out the water? Just like maybe drink it and don't swim in it. That would be great. Normally there's a beach here, but not right now. That's enough. No beach. So much water. I don't think the lake has ever been this high before. All right, let's go back to camp. Let's go find Dad. Go figures. Now that we're finally done setting everything up, it finally stops raining. I guess that's life, right? Well, I think it is time for me and Princess Vibeke over here to head to bed. Good night, guys. See you in the morning. Good morning. Shall we unbarricade the door? Okay, Vibeke. Dad. Where's Dad? Hey, Vibeke, we're going this way. Come on, we're gonna go this way.
No.
Are you excited? Are you excited to be in Maine? You're tangled.
You don't like that, do you? I want to be free.
Yeah, you can't be free. Because every time someone walks by on the road, you need to go run at them. That's a problem. You can't be free because you can't mind your own business. I know. Manners. Hey, Vibeke. Boop. Very important morning routine. You don't want to go swimming? Oh, you heard a truck start. It's okay, Vibeke. Dad's not leaving us. You're all right. Now, before we can get anything at all done, Vibeke needs a walk. Are you excited to be back in Maine? Morning. What do you smell? Anything good? It is so hot and humid. Originally, it was supposed to be raining this morning. And kind of waiting for that to come through, maybe cool things down a little bit. We've got, I think, 3 or 4 trees to take down this morning. More brush to either burn or move. So, I don't know, a little bit of rain would be nice. A lot of rain, not so much. I hear thunder in the distance. And as I was saying on the way up here, all it's done is rain. All summer, just rain. So, yeah, we'll see. Hopefully we can get everything done and enjoy some of the beautiful weather too. What do you think, Vibeke? You enjoying the beautiful weather? You like it up here? Yup. All right, we'll go a little bit further. Every time I go to double back, she like lays down and has a temper tantrum. All right, Vibeke, we made it to the end. Ready to turn around? Come on, Vibeke. Let's turn around this way. Thank you. What if you kept it moving? No. Straight. Come on. Huh. Walks much more polite. No pulling on the leash when we're on our way home. Isn't that pretty? Is this a library? Did someone build a library? Oh my God, I love these things. I find them on trailheads all the time. Come on, Vibeke, we're gonna go check out the library. Oh, this is so exciting. I did not see this when we were walking down here. What do we got for books? Let's go check it out, guys. I love it. This is so exciting. Also, like, beautiful craftsmanship. Good job, whoever built this. What do we got in here? All right, we got some Redwall. We've got some Tom Clancy. All right, that's pretty good. Got some good stuff in here. What else we got? Venison, Field to Table, Trout Magic. So which of these trees are we taking down? Is it this birch tree?
These 3 right here.
Oh, these ones.
That birch tree.
Yep, okay.
Probably that little one. I'd like to take the little one down.
That little dead, whatever, it's got brown leaves at the top. Yeah. Is that a hemlock? Okay. This should be fun.